Hey guys, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to remove links in your server, spam links, and if you have a server and you have a problem where people are spamming links, and if you want to remove that, this tutorial is just right for you. So first of all, uh, there are two ways to do this. Let me show you the first. It's actually in Discord. You go to settings, to edit channel. Then you go to permissions and you scroll down till you see embed links. You check this off, and then you will actually remove this part of the link. But you will see a problem here. The blue part is still here. Now you may want to delete that too. If not, then the first part of this is just fine for you. But if you want to remove the whole thing, you'll actually need to go to this site. You go to add to server. Then it will pretty much ask you to just log in and everything. And it will ask you to what server you want to add this bot to. After you have done that, he should just be right here. After that, you will be on another site that will there will be a big green button that you can press, and it will teleport you to this control panel. You want to go to Tool and Utilities, and you want to go to Basic Moderator. After that, you want to go to Server Links, and you want to enable that. You save, and you want to go to Links, and you want to enable that, and you save. Let's just save all settings. Oh yeah, and do this part, general, enable basic moderator. After that, let's just save for good measure. You can go to your Discord server and, well, you can try it out. Yep, as you can see, he deletes the message almost instantly, and you get a message from him. As you can see, he's pretty much giving you a warning that you have no permission to do that. But yeah, this is it, guys. Like the video if you enjoyed this tutorial and if it helped you. Ask anything really in the comment section, and I will try to answer. And subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you, guys. Bye.